مرحبا بكم في Math Academy for All. The goal of this video to continue working in midpoint strategy. And this is the second strategy for rounding rules. Round to the nearest thousand. Thousand here. To raise the bottom, I have to switch all the three digits in front of 1 to zeros. This became 2, 5, 6, 1. And all the three digits in front of 1 became zeros. To raise the top here for the benchmark, I add 1 here. This 61 became 62. 2, 5, 6, 2. Okay, to find the midpoint, I have to change this 0 to 5 and write the rest. This is 2. This is 2, 5, 6, 1, and 500. Because the difference between this number here and this number here, 1000, this is 2000, means the difference is 1000, means the number increased by 100. Means the first one here became 2, 5, 6, 1, 1100. And the one after became 1200. 1200. And you write the rest until 1500, means the one after here became 600. 1600, and I write the rest of the digits. Okay, if I look for this number, it's 1000 and this is 400. 400 between what? This is a 400, little bit more than 400 will be here. And this number, which is 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 1, and 400, 3, 2. And this is under the midpoint. This number under the midpoint. And under midpoint, we round it to this number, which is 2, 5, 6, 1, 3, 0. If above the midpoint, you're rounding to this number. Move the next one. Round to the nearest 100,000. This is the 1,000. The 10,000. This is 100,000. And to raise the bottom, all the 5 digits in front of the 2 became zeros. Okay. To raise the top, this is 2 became 3. To find the midpoint, the first 0 here, I change it to 5. And this became 2, 5, 0, 3, 0. Okay? Because this number, this 100,000, this 100,000 may increase each time by 10,000. By 10,000. This is 0, this is 10. And the first number here became 2, 1, 0, 3, 0. And the one after 2, 2, 0, 3, 0. Until you get 2, 5. This is 2 here. It's 21, 22, 23, 24 until 25. Means the number after here you can write it like 25, 26. 26. Increase by every time increase by 10,000. Okay, but this number is if you need to round this is the midpoint itself. Any number at the midpoint you round it to the top. This is 20, 21, 22 until 25, 26, and so on. Round to the nearest 100,000. This is 1,000, 10,000, this is 100,000. Means you write the 7 here and 5 zeros. I switch every digit here to zeros. You add 1 to the 7, became 8. 5 zeros. 100,000. The midpoint, I change this 0 to 5 and I write the rest. 7, 5. You write 7, 5 and 4 zeros. Okay? If you look for this number here, 100,000, but this is the 10,000 place. This number increased by 10,000. This is from 0 to 5, means this became 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and so on. And you can finish the rest here. For example, you write here 7, 0, 0, and so on, okay? This number here, 7 and 0, this is close to this number here. 7, between 7 and 1. This one between 7 and 1 means here. Let us write this in black. This number here, which is 7, 0, 7, 0, 0, 1, 5, 0, 0. I mean, this is under the midpoint here. When you round it, this is under the midpoint. Under the midpoint, you round it to this number. Because there is no 1 yet. This is 0. Very close to this number. It's not 1 yet, okay? Next one. Round to the nearest 10,000. This is the 1,000, this is the 10,000. I have to switch all the 4 digits in front of the 6 here to zeros. And this became the bottom here. 3, 6, and 0, 4 digits. To make the top, you add 1 to the 6, it became 7. 3, 7, and zeros. To find the midpoint, you change this 0 to 5. This became 3, 3, 6, 5, and 3 zeros. If you notice this number here, this is 6, 0. It means this is 61 here. This is 61. 61. Here 62. Okay? 62. This one here. And 62 means the black one here. This number here, I'm going to try to use black now in a minute. Three hundred 6, 2, 2, 6, 1. This is under the midpoint. Under the midpoint, you round it to this number. 360. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.